Today, let's prepare masal puri. Welcome back to my channel Home of Tastes Veg Recipes. As my previous videos show about making puris and safe, let us prepare masala pani for the masal puri. Video links are given in the description box. Take 1 small cup of coriander leaves, curry leaves, 3 garlic, 1 inch of ginger, half tomato and onion, 1 large cup of cooked peas and 1 cup of cooked potatoes. In a mixer jar, add half of the quantity of peas and potatoes and add all the other ingredients and grind it to a fine paste. Add green chilies for spicy. Grind it again and transfer it to a bowl and add water as per your constraints. Then add remaining peas and potatoes. Mash the potatoes as well. Add salt and mix well, and then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and mix well. You can add 2 teaspoons of jaggery as well. Mix well and then boil in the medium flame for 5 minutes. For sweetening, soak tamarind, dates and jaggery for 30 minutes and then grind them into fine paste. Transfer them into a container and then boil. By then, chop onions, tomatoes, coriander leaves and grate the carrot. Then, in a plate, crush the puri and add pani and all the chopped ingredients. Add sweet if it's required and finally homemade save or store-bought and then serve. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon for your notifications.